So the Samsung Trifold has just been released and a lot of people, including myself, are very excited about it. While I have this Samsung Fold 7, which is not a trifold, and I don't have a case, I've never had a case on this phone. I absolutely love Samsung. I use a lot of Samsung product, watches, earphones. I'm a big Samsung fanboy. But I feel like a lot of people should not buy the trifold. The main reason why I feel like a lot of people should not buy the trifold is because something else that is better exists. When I say better, I'm going to explain in a second. The number one reason why a lot of people are interested in the trifold is because they get a much bigger display than what you currently have with the Z Fold 7, right? With the Z Fold 7, you do get a bigger display compared to, other devices, but because it's a square-ish or kind of aspect ratio, when you're watching movies, it's not that much bigger than a slab phone. But the trifold solves that because it extends the display a little bit. That way you get more immersive view when you are watching videos, or if you want to do productivity, you can have a better screen, better aspect ratio for your productivity. Well, the number one reason why I say do not buy the trifold, or you shouldn't buy the trifold, is because these devices exist. So these are AR and XR glasses. What I have here is the Ranios, and what I have here is the X-Real 1. So when you have a camera on this device, so you essentially call it an AR or something like this. You don't have a camera, they're really the same thing, but I think about this as like an XR devices when it doesn't have camera. But these devices allow you to have a much bigger screen when connected to an external device. Most people who have been on my channel already know about this device, but the general population doesn't seem to know about this, which is why I'm explaining what they do. Now, with something like this, when you're plugged into your device, right, you have different screen aspect ratio. You have an ultra wide mode and a super ultra wide mode. And then you also have something like a portrait view. But basically, you get a big, giant display. Think about this as something like a smaller version of a VR goggles, where you have this giant screen in front of you. And with screens on these devices, you get a much better immersive view, a privacy screen, because with a Fold 7 or with a trifold, when you have your phone fully open, everybody can see what you're looking at, what you're doing. If you're watching a movie or if you're working with documents, they can all see your screen. And don't forget, the phone itself, the trifold, does not support an S Pen, so you can't even write on the screen with an S Pen like you would want to. Now, when it comes to something like this, you have a complete privacy. Nobody is going to be able to see what you're doing. And on top of that, the screen is going to be so much bigger than what you can get on any mobile or any TV or any other screen. And on top of that, it's very portable, very small, compact. You can keep this in your pocket, on your chest, in your backpack, and things like that. And these two combined is still going to be cheaper than the Galaxy Trifold. On top of that, if you already have something like this, then you have access to Samsung DeX, where you can plug your phone in and basically you get that computer in these glasses. If you don't already have something like this, then if you have something like maybe a Pixel device or Motorola device, any phone that supports some kind of like a desktop mode, you have the ability to cast your device, your media or whatever it is, through a wire into this device. As long as your phone supports display outputs, these things would work and project a much bigger image. And then a lot of these glasses also have apps where you can do AR-like AR-like computing and things like that. But anyways, once again, if you're thinking about getting the trifold, I would suggest that you actually look into getting AR glasses instead, because they give you a much bigger display and you're still going to be portable. And if something does go wrong with your phone, it's going to be much cheaper to fix it than it will cost to fix the trifold. But anyway, this is my personal opinion, and let me know what you guys think. If you haven't thought about this, instead of going for a trifold, please consider it. I think that AR and XR glasses are becoming so good that it is worth checking out. Too bad that most of the population still don't know about this. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.